Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with two prerequisites: the car ignition on and your phone Bluetooth enabled. Once done, open the car's Bluetooth menu, Settings, Bluetooth, Add Device, so the head unit scans. Make sure your phone is discoverable for a short window, usually 2 to 3 minutes. This prevents timeouts. You'll use the car display to initiate pairing and the phone to accept prompts. This first step gets both radios talking. Doing it now avoids restarting the process later. Once the car appears on your phone, tap its name and check the passkey shown on both displays. Confirm if they match. You must grant permissions. Allow contacts, call history, and media access so hands-free and audio work properly. If the system asks to make this phone a priority or favorite, accept to reconnect automatically. Make sure roaming or battery saver modes aren't blocking Bluetooth. These steps ensure full functionality calls, text notifications, and streaming, so you don't. To finish, test both media and phone call functions. Play audio, dial a quick call, and check microphone input. Adjust volume levels on both devices. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth on the phone, then restart the phone and car head unit. Simple reboots clear transient issues. If the head unit has a device limit, remove old pairings before trying again. Troubleshoot tip: clear the car's Bluetooth cache or delete the phone from car settings, then repair. This fixes mismatched profiles and passkey errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.